Here is how you can use Notion for note-taking on your MacBook. Now, it might appear simple, like you just open up Notion and start typing in. Well, obviously, if you're okay with that, you can just start setting up your notes and stuff. But if you want to be a little bit more fancy with your note-taking, I would recommend you to switch over to Safari and just look up Notion templates, which is essentially the official marketplace for over 30K. You can see 30K plus templates for many purposes, because Notion is really versatile and you can set it up in many different ways. Essentially, there are plenty of note-taking templates which are specifically designed to organize your notes from the stuff that you're learning, right? So for example, there's this one, Ultimate Notes, and you can see that it has some descriptions in here. You can see what it kind of looks like, and it has some web clips, and it is interconnected. So I would just recommend you to just get the template like this and make sure you log in to get it like that. And obviously you have to set it up to like make sure you have or add it to your account, but essentially you can just click on your account and just add it directly to your Notion page. So now, as you can see, I'm already inside of my Notion and I can click on add, and this is going to be the template, which is going to be now added. As you can see, it is being added into my Notion, so we got to wait a bit, but essentially you're going to have like a proper note-taking template part of your Notion directly. Obviously, you don't have to go with this one. There are so many of them like available for just note-taking. There's one for quick notes. There are some, class notes, which are organized in separate ways. So I would recommend you, if you're looking for some kind of very specific note-taking experience, I would recommend you to just get a template, which is going to make sure it is easier, right? You can also just directly go to the school section if you want to. We've got student life, study planners, class notes. You can see many different things, right? So I would 100% recommend you to get a template, which is then going to show up as part of your section right here. So we've got Ultimate Notes already added in here, and it's looking like this. So we've got favorites. It's telling you how you can use this. We've got quick links. Everything is like interconnected. We've got note board. So it is getting very like fancy, right? So that's how you can use it, how I would recommend you to approach note-taking with Notion. Let me know down below in the comments if there's anything specific that you'd like to know or something else, right? But definitely hit the thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in the next video.